Hello, welcome back. Our next pattern is going to be a jacket spin repeat. Jacket spin repeat. So we're going to actually give you the different views here and go around the floor with it. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go into a closed wrap position, okay, jacket. So here we are, and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, catch, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Very nice. All right, let's take it again. Remember, I'm saying catch in there. That's when you catch the other hand and she spins into the position. Here we go. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, catch, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Nicely done. Now we're going to come toward the camera and then we'll go away from the camera. All right, position-wise, wrap position jacket, okay, and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick catch, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Nice. All right, one more time away from the camera. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick catch, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Yes? Okay, now, remember we're kind of shortening this up a little bit so you get into the camera. Now we're going to go around the floor so you can see it dance in the circular action. Cool? All right, so here we go. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick catch, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Cool. Let's do it one more time from this angle. All right? Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick catch, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. All right, there you go. So you have it in several different angles, several different views, and I want you to go back and practice this at your pace. Stop, rewind, pause, whatever you need to do. And if you need more detail, go to the private lesson style videos. It'll help out a lot. So go have fun. We'll see you back in a moment.